Listen, don't tempt. Just saying that, all right? That's tempting fate. And you know,
you're live on Twitch.
Hello, everyone. If you want to join us, we're in Spyhole. So there's several of us in there. So if you want to join us, go into Spyhole.
Christ, just that, like, you're live on Twitch. That just reminds me of something. I swear to God, I can't. I just can't. It's horrible.
Right. Right, I'm not feeling too good, but I thought instead of wallowing watching telly, I thought I'd be creative, so I'm not feeling brilliant. I don't know what's going on, but hey ho, never mind.
Life's like that sometimes.
Yeah, it doesn't help with a heart condition, so yeah.
No.
Right, so I've put Myriad on the title because we will be getting to it, but I was wondering whether to do what VSCode's done in Beebcadia and make it official and embed it in and try and make it that it will work all the time. So I didn't know. Gary, have you got the source code for the basic program?
It's on the in the SSD that VSCode put on Discord.
Hang on then.
It's just a basic program called Loader.
Yeah, but we can actually embed it into the project and get it built at the same time. So what I was thinking of was trying to make it that it's part of the project.
All right.
All right, let me just find it. I didn't know if you'd extracted the code, the source out of it.
No, I couldn't work out how to get it out to get as a text document.
Right.
So I could read it a lot easier.
Well, okay. First order of business is to extract the program. Right, where's my Beeb emulator?
I did get it extracted. That wasn't a problem.
You got it extracted?
Yeah, but then it's all tokenized, isn't it?
Oh, you mean you exported the memory?
No, if you load it in.
Yeah, I'm doing that now. I'm just finding it.
And then go to, I think it's file export, I think. Disk image or something.
Oh, it's just run automatically. Hang on, mate.
Break. F12.
Yeah. I'm just... Oh, shoot. F12 up wrong program. Right.
I keep hitting my print screen button instead of F12.
Yeah. Oh, right, okay.
The main program is an older version.
Yeah, I know. It's all right. I'm just trying to think how I can get this out of here. We might have to do it in sections. Right, let me just get Notepad up. I'll put it over there so I can get out of the way. So, right, so we got... Right, list... Whoops. In Notepad. List to 100. Okay, list... Okay. I knew I'd get there in the end. Right, copy. What does... Oh, come on, it can't be that easy. Hell yeah.
I thought I missed something here.
Hell yeah. Look at that.
Oh, that easy.
Hey,
Get in there, John.
sorry about that.
Get in there, John. Ooh-ah, ooh-ah.
That was me classing about with VSCode and it was that easy.
Get in there. Well, I don't know. I'm not too sure about these characters here.
Where we're looking.
Line.
No, that is right.
Is that right?
Yeah. That's for the Beebcadia printing the characters to make the word up.
All right, then.
To be
Hey,
fair, most of
Kelso.
this looks like gibberish to me.
Hey, SP. We're in Spyhole if you want to join us. There's me, Saucy, Gary, and Crisps. If you want to join us. Right then.
I never let Cinch and Crisp on. It never ends well.
Right, let's load Beebcadia in. Right, let's get back to Beebcadia and see if we can get this embedded in. Now, I've got a sneaky suspicion. It's in. Oh, yeah. I don't know who did it, but I'll have to find it. What's the name of it? Kevin somebody? Oh, I must have tagged it. I've got to have tagged it.
I have got the addresses to change if you want to do them in that basic program.
Now, what the thing? I'm gonna fundamentally change it, mate. Yeah. So we don't need to worry about where the addresses are. Yeah.
Ah, right. You can do it on the fly.
So I'm gonna change the program slightly to make it easy for us, and so we can, basically change it on the fly, and we don't have to work out where they are. Yeah. Because I thought if we're gonna do this, let's do it properly. But there is a way of embedding a basic program using the compiler, using the assembler.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Oh, Kelso, thank you for subscribing, mate. 5 months. God, you don't get that when you beat somebody up, I don't think. I'm not too sure if it's this in here. But I saw a GitHub repo. With an example, I think. I'm just trying to remember who it was. I'm sure it was Kevin Edwards. Hang on, Kevin Edwards. Oh, get in there, John. Oh, you've got a memory that's even surprises yourself. Right, so it's this. It's Gala Force. So he's nicked it from Kevin. Here we go. Right, so source. I'm sure he had a basic pro. Yes, he does. Yes, he does. So how does he embed it in? Make. Let's have a look. So master. Oh right, okay. Wow. What's this? Right, so it's not that one, so it must be master then.
Fairlane is here.
He's been itching to do that. That's his new intro. He's been itching to do that. Welcome, Fairlane. Right, so where... Oh, hang on. Here we go.
Mine didn't come up.
Hey?
My intro didn't play, did it?
Oh, that's because I haven't initialized the bot. There you go.
What's cooking, Doc?
GaryMeg.
Yeah. Right, WebSockets is one.
Oh no, we've got another one of yours.
Yeah, another one of mine.
It is.
So if you've joined and you want to talk to me, I'm in Spyhole. We're just trying to figure out how to...
It's the same intro each time, isn't it?
Just about, isn't it?
Whose
It does
is the
change
same?
occasionally.
Whose is the same intro?
Mine.
Seems
Oh,
to
yours.
favour that one.
Yeah.
Gary's one with you. It seems to favour that one a lot. That same clip.
Well, he could go into clips and get rid of the ones he don't want. Right. So it's here. Put basic. So that's the command. That's the command. So let's save this. Let's do a... Oh, it's still in the clipboard, so I can do this, can't I? So if I, in here, create a new file called loader.bas and paste that in. Alright, so this is our ASM file. So if we do a similar thing now, he did oh ooh. Is it a separate program or is it? Oh, I've got it open, haven't I? Hang on.
What?
Right. So
and he's also changed the boot file to load loader instead of main.
Yeah, well, I mean that's easy.
Trivial.
I think that's easy enough done. Hang on. Where do we do? Where? Oh, that must be in here. Hang on. Because it'll be unique to this. So that's right. That's Beebassembler. Right, Beebassembler run current. No, I don't want that. Right, hang on. Kick source. No. Here we go. This is the make. Yeah, because we do boot main, so I could change it to say boot loader. Yeah.
Yeah.
But we need a way. Now, I'm not too sure. Oh, back here. I'm not too sure if this does it. Right, it says output the files to disk. The original loader, the loading screen. Right. So we need to do this in the assembler then. So let's do that. Let's put it in the assembler here. So because we're doing a save, that's a save. So we're definitely doing it before. So he's doing all the includes. Got the origin, yeah. Ink, we've got the ink there. And we got the code start and end because we know where it's going to start and end. Right. Okay. So if I change this to... So if I get rid of that and change this to loader... and change this to loader. Get rid of the comment. So if I do that, and then in the task, so we need to change the task, which is this, which is kick make BBC SSD, and instead of doing main, do loader.
And he did say that the basic program loads into a different area of memory that's unused.
Yeah, it loads at 5,000 hex.
Yeah.
How did he do that?
I don't know.
I'll show you. Hold on.
Is it in the boot record?
Yeah, it's in the boot thing.
How do I look at the boot?
It's text file type. Or it's star
That's
type.
wrong. My bad.
How
I
do
think
I...
it's star type, isn't it, John?
Star type, is it?
You have
so.
to, no, you have to star type or star list and then exclamation mark boot, but it's lowercase OOT. That's it. No quotes.
Oh, no quotes.
I went to paste it in chat, but I didn't hit copy first. Why is that not doing it?
I don't know.
I've still got the disk image loaded.
Yeah? Oh, what am I doing? Typing in the wrong places. Oh! Well, that don't help. Don't know what's going on there. Right.
Well, basically, it just sets the page to something else, 5,000, and then change the loader in.
Right.
What's Star FX do then?
Not a clue.
Right. Okay, so let me... So we need to put this... We need to put this in the builder then. I'll put that over there. So there must be a way... Because, you know... Right, we need to look at the Beeb... We need to look at the Beeb assembly help.
This is awkward. One screen.
Say again.
I said this is awkward, having just one screen.
Who, me or you?
No, me.
Oh, you. Where's the help?
Apparently, Star FX21 clears all buffers.
Where's the help for this? Has anybody written a Beeb assembly help file?
There's a read, mate. What's that?
Is there? No, that's
yeah.
the right. Okay, the readme.
Command line options.
Say again.
Command line options. Don't give you a lot of help though.
What, in the readme?
Yeah. Just tells you what the command is, but it doesn't tell you whether there's any options for it.
Here we go. I just need to know how to do a custom boot file. See, I think it's this dash boot. Here we go. Dash boot. So, if specified, we'll create a exclamation boot file on the new disk image containing the command star run the program. Oh, right, okay. But if I want to create my own boot, how can I create my own boot? This is just to... Oh, with... Oh, is that so? Is that so? Oh, I've lost the file again. Hang on. Right, this specifies the name of the new disk. Okay. If specified, BeebASM will use this disk image as a template. Right, we need to create a disk image. We need to create a disk image. We've just...
You know how you've created a basic file and saved that to a disk? Can you not create just a text file and save it as boot?
I don't know. I've never done a boot file before.
Well, I think if you create a new text file and then save that like you did your basic program in the ASM file, that should build, because it's only a text file. The boot file is.
Yeah, but I'm thinking of a different thing now, mate. I'm thinking of nicking this, deleting the programs off it, and using that as the base. Right, so let me just put it in. Right, I'm gonna. Where am I gonna put it? Where am I gonna put it? I'll put it in here. I'll put it in here. Right, so let's name this blank. Right, let's load it in here. And see if my theory works. Right, that should be this. So, star delete, isn't it? Star del main. Oh. Come on, guys, help me out. How do I delete a file?
It is delete as a full word, I think.
Oh, is it full word?
Probably needs a star, I don't know.
Disk is read only. Cobblers.
Need to unlock the disk. Star access, I think, or something.
You can do it from file menu. Disk options, turn right, protect off.
Oh, access file name and then star access file name.
Oh, here we go. Sources.
That's an alternative way of doing it.
Aha! Oops. Right, so we should now have a blank disk. So let me close that down. Make sure I've got nothing loaded. Right, let's just do this. Acorn, where are you? There you are. Right. So if I load that disk in.
Soon be time to tidy up the desktop, won't it?
Oh, shut up. I've seen worse desktops, mate. Right, it's there, isn't it? Blank. Right, star dot. Nice. Right, that's a blank disk. Right. So, back in here. Where's the thing? So, -di file name. So I presume the file name is the file name of the disk. So -di file name. So in here. So it's not that, it's -di, and
Oh, hang on. Didn't want to do that.
hang on. Is it space file name? If specified, Beeb SM will use this disk image as a template for the new disk image rather than creating a new blank one. This is useful if you want basic loader which you want to run before the executable. No, this cannot be the same as the DO file name. Oh right, okay, so DO still, but then DI bat blank. Right, I think that's what it means. Right, DO, this specifies the name of the new disk image to be created. Right, okay, so we've got DO and now we've got DI. Right then. Right then. Here we go. Cross your fingers, boys and girls. We will just, what am I going to do? Kick and make SSD. Let's just do that one. Go. Oh, what's wrong there? Error opening file. Huh?
Where is your SSD?
Why have you got bat build disk, not bat/build?
I think that's right.
Oh no, that's build. Sorry, yeah, no.
It's complaining about the put basic.
Load it. Yeah, you've called it ASM, your basic file, haven't you?
No. Bat.
No.
No. It's here. Look, loader.bas. Do I?
Oh,
do I not put the dollar in front of it? Do I not put the dollar in front of it? Hang on. Maybe it's because I got a dollar in front of it. Let's try again, boys and girls. Make SSD. Go. Oh, why is it not liking that? File. Error opening file. Error opening what file? I wonder if the SSD's write protected. Hang on.
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Who's followed? Who's followed? Say hello. Who's followed? Say hello. We don't bite. Well, I don't. Others may. Right, disk option. Oh, that's right. If I turn that off, will that? How do I turn? how do I save the state? Oh, why is it not? Oh, that's annoying. It keeps moving to the other one. Has this got a recent list on here? No. Oh.
It's annoying it not remembering the last folder as well, isn't it?
Yeah. Right. It seems to have not put the right text on, but I'm not too sure if that's because of I haven't shut it down. Let's open it back up. Ah. Right, load disk. I'm hoping it's going to say it's not write protected. I am hoping. This is annoying. Right. Are we still write protected? Oh, come on! Low. Oh, hang on. Hang on. I wonder. Oh, okay, hang on. I'm wondering it's because it needs that. I wonder if it's because it needs that.
Boom.
Right, okay.
Now what's on the disc?
Yeah, let's have a look what's on the disc before I do what I think I've got to do.
Before you get too excited.
Yeah. Oh, come on, stop going there. Remember where I come from. Who's raided? Hey, Proton.
7.
Hey, Proton. Welcome.
And your 7 raiders.
And oh, 7. Oh, welcome, raiders. Welcome. Right, so it's this one, isn't it? Right, let's have a look. Right, Stardot. Ooh. Ooh.
Get in there.
Okay. I know it's not going to work, but there we go. How do I do it? Shift F12, isn't it?
Yeah.
Mistake at line 1. Didn't get very far, did we? Oh, that doesn't help. That doesn't help. Right, let's do that again. Let's do that again. Right, let me do that. Right, let's go all the way.
Good chain.
Press spacebar to start. But the problem is, obviously the menu system's not going to change here, isn't it? When you do the thing, right? So we need to make it that this program here, pokes in the right place, which is all this lot. So what I was thinking was change. Oh God, this keyboard's filthy. Changing the way we do the controls. Right. What I was thinking was that we have in the storage. In the storage here. But that's 0 page, that is. And I don't want it in 0 page. But what we can do, where's the start program? Here. What we can do is do it here, yeah? So
There's a trick I used to use, John.
yeah.
Yeah, you start your code load AFF, jump, and then define 4 bytes to store your things in. That way it's always going to be at the same address.
Hello, John here.
It's what I'm
Thank you for following.
it's what
Hope you
I'm just
enjoy the
about to do,
stream.
mate. So our key codes would be here. So we'll put a label on it as well. So key codes. And we'll make it a code block as well, so we can individually mark them. So key up. We'll work out the bytes. We'll work out the bytes for them. What the actual bytes are. Them. So key up, key down, key left, right, and 2 more because we've got thrust and shield.
You don't use key down though, do you?
Say again?
You don't use down.
No, you're right, we don't use down.
Just saved you a byte.
Well, we got a few of them, mate, now. We got a few of them now. Who followed? Did somebody follow? Who followed? Say hello. Say hello. Don't be scared.
Naughty S or something, I think.
Oh, naughty S. Oh, yes. Hello, naughty S. Welcome. Right. So we've got these keyboard codes. So let's do this. Get rid of that. Put the control. Where's the controls? There we go. Control. Oh, do that. Get rid of that. Right, so controls. So we are. So this. That is. What's that?
Which one are we on? D?
Oh, that's going right, isn't it?
CD is the code for that one.
No. That's the going. D is right, isn't it?
Correct.
Yeah.
A's left.
W is up.
Say again.
W is up.
W. Yeah.
Return is fire.
Okay. Oh, I've missed one, haven't I?
Up is thrust.
Yeah, up is thrust, isn't it? Yeah. So that's return. And shield is space, isn't it?
Yeah.
So get rid of that because we don't need that. So we got up, left, right, shield and fire. And now and these are our defaults, yeah? Oh, you're joking. Really? Has that been an hour already?
Yeah, you was like starting.
Time.
Right. So, guys, you're just going to have to bear with me for a couple of minutes while I sort Aston out. He's downstairs. He's just sleeping all the time now. He's just sleeping all the time. It's 9 o'clock, isn't it? Right, it's the fridge ones. Hang on.
I would say put code breaker on, but SP will just nail it.
Well, I'll put it on. I'll put it on. Right, you ready? I haven't even started it yet. Right, there you go. Right, won't be long. Right, so now we've done that. Now we've specified some byte locations. We can actually change this code here now to point to those byte locations. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rem it out. So we'll keep it there just in case we can go back. But this time we'll say it's going LDX key codes dot D is right, K right. Alright. So we'll put it on, no, underneath. We'll put it on all of them. Right, that should be them all, yeah. Don't get me wrong, Aston, as soon as he smells dinner, he's up. I'm telling you, his nose still works. His back legs doesn't help him because he circles. It's ever so funny watching him, but he circles because one of his back legs is. I think he's losing control of one of his back legs, so it's all over the shop. It's like sometimes he's like Thumper, you know, he's and he tends to go in circles. So he's going. It was over. It's ever so funny watching him. Anyway. Where are we? That's K left. What's this? W is up, isn't it? K up. K return. So K fire. And K shield. Tell me I've spelt shield right.
You've spelt shield right.
Thank you. It's you guys hammering it into me. It's about time I got it right.
Have you fixed it on the front page though?
Oh, shut up. Really?
I think that was just mine.
Or is it you messing it up?
It was me on my copy of it, I think.
Oh, right, because look, it's spelled right there, look.
Yeah, they're all as bad as each other when it comes to spelling.
We're in an elite group. We're in an elite group.
Spelling's fine, it's Gary that can't spell.
No, you've drilled it into me so much that I get worried. Right.
You'd have to look on the Discord to see how bad the spelling can be.
Oh, yeah, well, shh. Okay. Right. So we need to compile it now. We need to compile it to find out where those code locations are. So let's do kick assemble source code. Right, go. Right, so we should have the byte dump now. So there we go. So we are 1111 for up, 2 for left, 3 for right, 4 for shield.
But can you get the home page to change the letters accordingly?
No, mate, because we'd have to.
You can if you work out where they are and poke them in.
Yeah, but the problem is because we've got fire is space sorry, fire is return and shield is space.
Yeah, I know. Makes it awkward.
Yeah.
You've got to do some decoding with text as well, then.
No, mate. No, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. No. These are the proper letters. It's you, Gary, that's wrong.
That's it. Take it all out, make them work with keys that you defined in first place.
Yeah. Right. So, we need to change this basic program now.
We've got bytes left. Put some code in that checks what the keys are, and if they're wrong, it just aborts the game.
So basically what you're going to do is have a front page asking you to redefine your keys, and then go in game and ignore them completely.
Yeah. Oh dear. Well, I mean, I'm doing this because VSCode spent some time on it, yeah. So it might as well do it. But you're right. You know the actual. Well, this is what do they call it? A trainer, is it? You could essentially say this is a trainer. Yeah.
Add a poke for extra for unlimited lives.
Well, I was thinking of doing that once we'd got this working. Yeah. So thrusting is 5. So that's 1115. Left is 2. 1112. Right is 1113. Shield is 1114. Oh. Oh, look at that, they're in the same order. Would you have thought of it? Would you have thumped it? I mean, we could.
That looks nice like that.
Say again.
Looks nice.
We could have even made this a for. We could have made it a for loop.
I bet you can't do that as put that as a variable that it pulls out from VSCode and it compiles it in, can you? So if you change the program at any time, it would automatically update them numbers.
If we was using Beebassembler, then yes, but we're not. We're using Kick. If we're using Beebassembler, yeah, then we could do, because then we could access the variables inside Beebassembler when we're building it. But yeah, we're using Kick, so it has no knowledge. That's why I put it. That's why I put it here, right? Because this will never change. This is the start of the game, yeah. So that code would never ever change. So
right. Yeah.
So this memory location here should never move, yeah. And that's why I put it there. To guarantee that the locations would be exactly the same, yeah?
Yeah.
So hopefully that...
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Got another follower. Cool, I'm doing well today. Who's followed? Say hello. Say hello. Right, so let's try this out, yeah? So let me close this down because we don't need it. And right, I'm going to do it properly all the way. So build, launch, launch emulator. Here we go. So redefine keys is K. Okay. So they're the normals. So K. Right. Okay. Thrusting. Hang on. Hang on. Oh. How do you redefine?
Some of the keys don't work.
Right. Oh. Left. Right. Oh, right. Okay.
I don't know why it's not picking some of the keys up.
No, I was just Why are some of the keys not working?
I don't know. Why?
Okay.
E doesn't work. Q doesn't work.
Right.
I put a list of them in Discord that didn't work.
Okay. Oh, come on.
Jump. Yeah, Q, U, P, and S.
Right, okay. Right.
They don't seem to pick them up.
Right, so I've picked those keys. Right, let's see if it transfers through, yeah? Oh, rats. I've got to do F1 without losing my finger spots.
Just get the shield finger.
Oh, look at that. Well, it works. It worked. The redefined keys worked. Right, so how are we going to do the unlimited lives? Well, okay, let me just look at why. So press K. So prop redefine. So that's down here somewhere, isn't it? Here we go. Get key. Oh, he's got some exceptions. Look. How many keys? How many keys did you say?
Where is it? Q, U, E, and S.
So that's 4. Well, he's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 2 more as well.
Yeah, that was just the main letters I tried.
Yeah.
Also, I've noticed that if you press the one with the at key on, the little single quote,
yeah,
it thinks it's a shift key.
All right.
It comes up as shift if you press that one.
Okay.
Is that somewhat to do with the mapping between the PC keyboard and the BBC keyboard?
Yeah, more than likely.
It shouldn't be, because when in the emulator, the same one as what I just pressed break, and I've got it on normal keyboard layout, not BBC mapping. It comes up with the at symbol and the single quote. If I just press break, so there's something somewhere adrift.
Well, he's got he has got a test where he's testing for some keys and then doing video 7, which I know is beep. So yeah. No, it's all right. It's all right. It's better than what you had, isn't it?
It's better than poking, isn't it?
Well, yeah. So infinite. We know what we know. Infinite not lives will work. Just need to find it. Hang on.
Yeah, I can tell you the address. 2653.
2653.
Yeah.
That'll have moved.
Yeah, but it won't have moved far, mate. It'll
It'll
probably be 6 bytes further on. 2653, yeah?
Yeah, that's what I'd got on the last build.
Yeah, it's there, look. So it's 265D now.
Well, when he checked for pressing key K, I'd just added in there, or after that, the next line, check for key L, and then toggle them 2 bytes from what they are to EA and then back again. So if you pressed it a second time, it'd turn it off, and just added an extra line in.
Right.
On the title screen. Is it still in?
Just
Just do a Vinny hack and change the deck to an LDA.
Yeah.
Just create. I just created a variable at the beginning. L string equals off, and then I created a proc that checks what L string is. Pokes to the 2 locations, and then redefines L string to the opposite.
Yeah.
The only thing. The only problem I've got at the minute is I'll get stuck in a if loop in the proc. Can you put an end proc at the end of a if statement to get break out?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure, mate.
Because it then checks the second one, and because it's changed it from on to off, when it obviously gets to the next line, then it's off, so it turns it back on again. So I need to skip that line one way or another.
So that's how you would have done it, yeah?
That's how I have done it, yeah. Let me basically where's spy hole? Screen share. That's how I've done it. If I'll look on spy hole.
Hang on, mate. Right, I'm just showing everybody. Right, okay.
And then I put another line in a bit further, well, a couple of lines, one to print infinite lives, and then it's :L string after where it does the keys, and when he checks for K, I added a line there to check for L, and then call that proc.
Right, okay. Right, so that's your way of doing it.
But it just needs a go-to end proc on the end of each of them if statements, I think.
Yeah, so that's your way of doing it.
Yeah.
All right.
John's going to XOR it.
Oh, Saucy, come on.
Sorry.
Spoiler alert, come on.
Yeah, but he's got to print it on the screen as well. Can you do ternary statements in BBC?
No. Yeah, that's how I'd do it, SP. Just flip it between LDA and decrement, yeah.
Well, that's what I'm doing. I'm just working out the EOR. So I think I've got it now. So EOR 63 should be A5, and then EOR 63. There we go, C6. Right. So this is how I would do it. I wouldn't do it in that loader, mate. Right? Because
Well, you can actually do it in the middle of the game.
No. Because we've got the... Oh, do you know about... Yeah, you must know about it. You saw the stream. You know, the level selector.
Yeah.
Do it there.
All right.
So that's what I was thinking of doing, was putting it into the level selector. Yeah?
I was thinking along the lines of a proper trainer, like
No!
War games.
I'm not investing that amount of time in it. Come on.
Do an old school coder intro, age and everything.
Oh, if we had the space, maybe, but
If we're going to do that, well, you've got the space, John.
I suppose.
You've got a basic program to play with.
I suppose.
Not even basic. You could stick it on the end of the code, right at the top end.
Yeah.
Call it at the beginning, and then jump to your program.
Yeah. I suppose. Yeah.
As long as you don't switch to mode 2, you're fine.
Yeah.
You can have a nice proper intro, sign scroller.
Well, you know, we can always come back and do it. I'm just trying to get this ready so FaZe doesn't rage quit. Because he hasn't done it yet, has he? He hasn't done the stream yet.
He's talking about Friday.
Is he talking Friday, is he?
Yeah, if he don't get it Friday, he's going to do it on Sunday.
Right. Okay.
But he's hoping for Friday, he said.
Right, let's get this done then, yeah? So, we just need another one in here. So, that's the test for F1. So, if we do this again, so I'm just copying this. Don't worry that I'm just copying it, because I'm just gonna... Right, test for what key are we going to use for infinite lives? What key should we use for infinite lives?
Ask Gary, otherwise he'll want to change it later.
Hey Fizzgog, welcome.
Having a dig at me.
Go on then, mate. You can input. What key would you like for infinite lives?
Use F0. So the opposite end of the keyboard, top keys, isn't it?
I don't know. Where's F0 on the keyboard?
I ain't got an F0.
Yeah.
Oh, push break. No, actually, no, you do have F0. It starts with F0 on the main keyboard.
Oh, it starts with F0, does it?
But there's no F0 on here.
Yeah.
Use L or I, or I for infinite, or L for lives, or
Break key.
something
Use the last F
sensible.
key.
The what key?
The last F key, whatever that one is.
F9 on the Beeb.
Is it F9, is it?
Right.
Yeah, it goes from F0 to F9.
Right, let's find the code for...
went...
Let's find the code for F9 then.
And fix that. Infinite.
Oh, that's in the wrong place. I wonder if it was in here. Was it in the new? Yeah, here we go. New one. F9 is 88. Right. Constants.
It is break or escape.
Say again.
Break.
Oh, use break. Yeah, yeah. When it was said, I thought, I'm not falling for that one.
I think you could do, though, couldn't you? Because you can disable break.
Oh, that's just wrong in every sense of the word, because then you got to switch the machine off when you want to do something else.
Yeah, so it's living up to its name, then it broke the game. And on the machine.
Why not test for the sequence of keys such as OSK? Because that would be too much. I mean, we freed up some bytes.
But not that many.
Yeah, not that many. But this'll do. This'll do. So F9. So we're testing for F9. Right.
I was thinking of using the key combination for phase.
Oh. Yeah. That'd be just wrong because he'd get it, type it wrong. Right. There's all sorts of wrong on that, isn't there? Right. So we do the debounce as well. So we're going to do LDA. We can use the label. We can use the label. Game lost life, I think. Yes, game lost life. There we go. We can use that. Test for F1. Here we go. So LDA that XOR 63. Oh, was it 63 in X? Or yeah, 63 in X.
Is infinite spelled wrong?
I don't care.
Yeah, it is. Change it.
Says he that can't spell.
Oh, aren't you glad that I love you guys? What was that snort? Oh dear. Right. So what I'm going to do
is store it, not load it again.
Yeah. So I'm going to do the same thing for the screen. Right, so I need to work. I'm the one that doesn't feel well. Stop coughing all over me. Right, I want to X. That's what I want.
I'll die in peace.
Die in peace, yeah. Right, 88. Yeah, 88. And space is still 30. Oh, crud. No, that's fine. 88 XOR 32 is 78. Right. Right, so if we put in hex mode, so 20 XOR 78 gives us 88, XOR 78 should give us 20. Yeah, that'll do. That will do nicely. Right, so we'll do that. So XOR hash $78. So when we turn on infinite lives, we will put an X on the screen. And we've set the bounce. Right, let's see if that gives us what we want.
One that's 78 decimal.
No, it was. I looked at the hex number on it, mate. That's why I've just confirmed that it works. Yeah, I'll do it again just to make sure. So hex space is 20. XOR 78 should give us 88 in decimal, yeah? And then XOR 78 should give us back to 32, look, yeah? Right. What was it? Oh, yeah, I'm going to build it. Right, so we should have a secret key.
another one.
Right. So that's complaining that this branch is too big now. So we will do BCS bypass. There we go. That should solve that. Right, so right then, do I want to redefine the keys? No. Right then, so it's here. So as we've got the secret level selector, you know. Yeah, that gives you what level you're on. Yeah. And now we are using F9. Oh, F9's not working.
Yeah, he's using your loader VSCode.
Yes, mate, we've embedded it in. We've embedded it in. So
You haven't moved the only thing you haven't done is move the top line across the space.
What, in the loader?
Yeah.
Oh, we'll do that in a minute. I'm just... Oh, that's why it's not doing... That's why it's not doing it. It's not getting there. Right, where's the loader? Loader. So 8. So that's 9, yeah? So how many lines am I bumping? Up down to OSK International, yeah?
What line number is it?
130 on 130 to 180.
130.
You said I gotta push something over one, yeah?
Yeah. Where's the old school code a bit copper up?
So that's 9.
No, it's not the old school code. It's the one top one, isn't it? 130. 9,2.
So it's just the one line that's wrong.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I've changed that.
It was one character out.
Right, I've changed that. Right. Let's build it. That's still out.
Are both lines out by one still?
Well, on my screen, there's the coder, the O in the coder is in the middle of the screen, and this is.
Maybe both lines want pushing over one then.
I think all of them need pushing over. Down to OSK International. I think they all need pushing over by one. So we'll do it. So 10, 12, 6, 6, 6, 7.
Yeah, that's better.
Right, getting out the old tape measure.
Can't see it.
It's not in the centre. It's not in the centre.
Was it right to start with?
It's way out. So hang on. Let's get my screen up and find out how many spaces I've got on the first set of lines. So I've got 9, 11, 5, 5, 5, 6. Right, so we'll do the same. So 9. So it's back to what it was. 11.
So is
5,
the
5, 5, 6. So it's the controls.
the controls that are out?
Yeah. So, hang on. Let me go back to... So the controls were 10. Oh, I see. I see what's happening. I think... Right, where's game controls? Where's my game controls? Game controls is 12. So game controls is over by one too many. And I think these need to be...
They all want pulling back one as well.
Yeah. Like that. I think that's what the problem was. I think the was opposite. As ours top was wrong, this I think the bottom was wrong. There we go. Straight away. Now the bottom line's wrong. Press space bar to start is wrong. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Oh, I was going to say. I think this needs to be pushed over by one, and it probably look better. Hang on. Let's put that back to 7. Sorry if I'm not reading chat. Hang on.
John, take the space out between space and bar, and it'll line up better.
Well, that looks centered, even though it's not. It's weird how it's an optical illusion, isn't it? As one too early made it look wrong.
Yeah, like I say, if make it spacebar as one word, that'll be dead equal to redefine keys then.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
That looks centered. That does look centered, doesn't it?
Yep.
I think so.
Right. So, right. So, our magic key is F9. There we go. So now we're infinite lives. Not infinite lives. Infinite lives. Not infinite lives. Right, let's see if it is infinite lives. Yep, we are on infinite lives. So,
now you need a quit button during the game to get back to the title screen.
Look, you wanted infinite lives. You wanted infinite lives.
Break.
I'm not putting a key in there so you can quit out of it. It just means it means that you cannot have a high score. That's what it means.
Yeah.
Because you'll never get to the high score page. So yeah, the only you know. Right. So, do you guys, because this is all new stuff, this, right? So we changed, right, I suppose I better put this into the other ones as well. So we changed the task to take a template blank SSD that's configured to what we want, and we changed and told it which program to run first. But that's the thing. That's the thing. We don't need that boot thing in. Hang on. Wait, have I still got it? Still got it. Oh yes, I've still got it open. Hang on. Where's .boot? Here we go. -boot specifies the no, we don't need the boot. We don't need this boot thing in because we've already specified the boot. Right, let's just try that again. So it should still run. Yes. We was overriding that boot. Yeah? There we go. There we go. So. Hello, CodeSpace25. Welcome in. Guys, say hi to CodeSpace25. He's a new chatter, first timer.
Hi, CodeSpace25.
We're doing all right. We're doing all right. Right then, guys. So, do you understand what we've changed in this program to make the loader work and embed it into the project? Yeah. Do you understand, or do you need me to go over it again? Because I will go over it again.
No, I get it.
So we've got this basic program, yeah, and we've told our. So this ASM file is assembled by the Beeb assembler, yeah. So this is the file that was assembled by Kik, and then we import that binary into a Beeb assembler ASM file, and then assemble that, yeah. And so this. So the Beeb assembler actually tokenizes a basic program. That's one of the clever things about the Beeb assembler, yeah? So you can put in a basic file as text, and then it will tokenize it. And then we've saved it onto an SSD that we have pre-configured. We've got a blank SSD that we've pre-configured the boot thing, and then spat out an SSD with our program in. So this project is unique to this now. It's not the standard Beeb template. Yeah? So it's unique to this purely because we've now got this loader in there. Right? So what is it? Oh, my title's wrong because I thought I was doing Myriad today. My title's wrong. This is a game for a game jam that we are entering. Have I still got the link? Hang on. Yes, here we go. Don't you copy the boot? No, mate. We've got a blank SSD with the boot file already created, so we've got a template. So
it's not really a blank SSD. It's blank with a boot file on it.
Oh, shut up!
All right, I did say that ages ago. It was blank, apart from the exclamation boot.
We've got a pre-configured SSD with the exclamation boot in that we're using as our blank disk, and then we insert the program into it and create another SSD on it. So this is what we're doing. This is the game jam that we're entering. Now the game jam's finished. We're just tweaking the program, ready to be... So we're putting some cheats in. So we've got now infinite lives. And
make it easy for FaZe.
Make it easy for FaZe, because he's like me, can't play for Toffee. And we've got a level selector in there. And Fizzgog, who's in chat at the moment.
I was just looking, John. You could do that boot file as a text file.
Right. Okay.
There's a command where, like you've got put basic.
Yeah.
There's another one for put text.
Oh, okay.
So you could have that boot file as just a normal text file.
Okay.
And then use put text with the name, the file name, and then its load address.
All right then. Right. Has anyone got? I've got rid of the text for the bootloader. Has anyone got the boot text on hand that they can paste into chat or something?
That's loader. How did you do it?
Copy.
Start type. Oh, you used star list, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Fizzgok's put it in chat. Thank you, mate.
But you didn't use page 19, you used page 5,000.
5,000.
Phase 101 things. Let me jump to the browser.
Right, so we've got that. So
you just need the load address for the boot file, which is, I'll tell you. Oh, it's 00, the load address.
Loaded. Hang on. So you said put text.
Yeah, put text.
Yeah, boot.
The file name of the text file.
Right, okay.
And then cling boot. And
no, that's right.
Start address of 0. And the execution address is FF.
There can't be 3 Fs in. There can't be 3 sets of 2 Fs in there, mate.
Yeah, so you're not looking at the Amiga version.
No, it is. That's what it comes up with on the disk thing.
All right.
Comes up as 6X.
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Okay. Okay, so hang on a sec. So let's try this out, yeah? So I'm gonna have to put this back, yeah? So let's take that out. So that's put it back to how it was.
There you are, there's the disk layout thing with the addresses.
Well, have you put it in chat, have you?
File. Share screen.
Oh, hang on, mate.
Don't know why it's flickering.
Yeah, I've got it. The first 2 Fs, I think, is the track, mate. Right, okay, yeah, got it. Right. So, okay, we should be able to build this then. Right, so we're not using the default. We're just creating the SSD.
Dash boot back in on your build.
You shouldn't need to, because it's including it and building it like it does the loader.
Oh, sorry, FaZe. I'm trying to what dash. Okay, dash option 3. What's option 3? We're trying to get this ready for you, mate. If specified, this sets the disk option of the generated disk, i.e. option. Oh, it overrides, so we need dash option 3, okay. Dash op 3. Right. Let's try this again. We're putting some things in for you, FaZe.
Some secret buttons for you to find.
Oh.
Oh, did you not put a carriage return at the end of the text file?
No, mate. Is that what's required? Okay.
It looks like it.
Okay. There we go. Right, so I'm not gonna redefine the keys. Yeah, I'm just gonna go straight in. Right, okay. So just to be absolutely sure, I'm gonna rename this. So we definitely know we're not using it. All right. Right.
Kaboom.
Yeah, there we go. Don't need that blank disk now. Get rid of that, John. I'll leave it there anyway, just in case. See, even I'm learning stuff. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Yes, we've put so VSCode wrote a loader to redefine the keys. So you can redefine the keys if you don't like the keys that we've set up, yeah? And also we've put in now infinite lives, so you can be immune to infinite lives, yeah, but you still die. And we've also put a level selector in, so if you don't get past level 1, which we know you won't, you can select level 2 or 3.
Show off some different levels.
So we're trying to make life easy for you, mate.
You have to get off level 1. You've got a shield.
You got a shield, yeah, I suppose, yeah. I was just thinking. No, I'm not going to do it. That's just going way too far.
Disable collision detection with the chip.
I was thinking, should I just do that, or leave the stop the timer on the shield, so the shield's on all the time. But we've got infinite lives. That's fine.
It's enough to show the game off to its full extent.
Well, yeah, and you know, he's still dying, but at least. But the shield does help, because on my last stream I got quite a lot, didn't I? Was it 4,000? By banging the shield. Right, so here we go. Right, so we've got a loader, so you now can redefine your keys if you want to. Courtesy of VSCode, he wrote this. We've just embedded it into the game. So if you want to redefine the keys, you press K. and then you just tell it what you want. So thrust in, and I pick a key. Doesn't allow. So R, right, D, F, shield, fire. Oh dear, that's a bit tight on that hand. No.
Now you've got to get to F1 as well.
Hang on. R, D, G. There we go. That's better. There we go. Yes. So I've redefined the keys now. Right. So you ignore the menu here because we don't affect the menu on the main screen, but the keys are still the same. So if I press F1, yeah, so they're the keys I've just defined. Oh, R, I was going to say R, but I had the shield on. Ah, I've lost the keys. Oh, just stay there, John, and just hang on. Yeah, I found the keys again. Ah! But yeah, so you've got a level selector in, yeah? So if I run it again.
You also gain extra lives as well. I don't think you saw that before, FaZe.
No, yeah, we've put for every 10,000 you get an extra life. So every 10,000 you get a new life. So I'm not going to redefine the keys this time. Oh, really? Is it an hour? Right. Just give me a second. Right, I'm going to put Codebreaker on hard.
He'll still get it in 5 games.
Probably. Right,
Yeah,
I'm just going to put next set of drops into Aston's eyes, alright? There you go. Guess what's coming tomorrow?
5-5.
I think I've got a bit of lag going on here.
The pie's coming tomorrow.
Night, Fairlane.
Night, Fairlane.
No.
I've just had an email from Royal Mail. Yes, the pie's coming tomorrow. Yeah. Back time.
So tomorrow night will be live chat with you playing on the Pi 5, will it?
More than likely, yeah. More than likely.
Live chat on a school night again.
Yeah. Yeah, I've just...
Yeah, mine's not coming until next year.
Yeah. Well, I did email and moaned saying, you know, I ordered before 10 o'clock, way before 10 o'clock, where's my pie? And all I got back was this automated message. But it says, we've just received your parcel from the Pie Hut. We will be delivering 16th, which is tomorrow. Between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. So they've edged the bets, haven't they?
The thing is, you could guess what time it'll come better than what they will, because you know what time your postman normally comes.
Yeah. Postman normally comes around about 12ish, somewhere around there. Right, so yes, what was talking FaZe? He's still on FaZe. Right, so the arrow up and down changes the level, and you'll see on the screen there'll be There you go. So that's level 1, even though it says 0. I was thinking of cancelling it. I found the way they did it is what, Pi Hut? No, Pi Hut wouldn't have done it as a scam. But if you go arrow up, it goes up the levels. And then you got 2 of them, and then, or you could go down. It's up to you, yeah. But you can aim for a specific level, and then you can press, what is it, F9 for infinite lives. There we go. So X means infinite lives. So if you press it again, it goes back to normal.
Level 5's the one to start on, I think.
Level 5
on the stream,
which is the jelly beans, as we've called it, in there.
Yeah, number 5.
I have ordered it too, but not how they process the orders. But did you order it via Pi Hut or the other place? Was it Pi
Maroni?
Pi Maroni, thank you, mate. Oh, well, Pi Hut's kept me informed, but all I did when I emailed them, I just kept getting the automated email saying if you ordered before 10 o'clock, you should get it by the end of.
Yeah, I think what FaZe is objecting to is that when you originally placed the pre-order, it didn't specify that you had to do it between X time and Y time, and you'd get in the October release if you were up between. I think it was like the early afternoon and the evening. It was later the next month, and anyone else was like next year.
Yeah, I think they wasn't expecting to be taking so many orders so fast. I think that was the problem. Yeah. And well, hopefully you'll get yours pretty soon, but hopefully mine's coming tomorrow. So time to play. I've got my SD cards and everything. Build an image.
John will be sat at the front door like a little kid on a birthday.
Well, I've got to build it because I bought the fan as well. I bought the cooler so I can overclock it.
As long as it don't need soldering.
Well, you shouldn't do.
Yeah, it's just a 2-pin plug in it.
Yeah, it shouldn't do. It shouldn't do. Right. Oh. I like playing dodgems on this. Right.
But you don't have a score multiplier for dodging them for as long as possible before dying or killing them.
No, that's it, yeah. You got the cooler as well. Yeah, I got the cooler as well. Right, so that's it for this game then, isn't it? Right. Who wants the new version?
Go on then.
Who wants the new version for testing? Right. So the usual suspects, yeah? So Gary, you won't want the bite. You won't want the bite dump now because you can redefine.
No, it's not going to be no use now, is it?
Yeah, there you go, mate.
You've done Gary out of a job. You can't hack it anymore.
FaZe.
It's when John releases the source code, who puts the first title screen on for him.
Here, FizzGog will give you a go as well. There you go, mate. There you go. Do a bit of testing, see how you get on, yeah? So yeah, well, I'll once the source code will be available to the patrons first, yeah. Once FaZe has done his stream, I'll put the source code on the site. I'll put everything bar the books. I won't be putting the books on there, yeah. So I'll put the documentation on there, but the books I will take out. They won't be there, yeah. You only have 1 week and a half in the UK. Then I will be. Oh, he's back in Malta. God dear. And I'm back at the end of January. He's flying south for the winter.
Emigrating.
Yeah.
Is it for tax purposes?
I'm not asking that question, just in case someone from the tax office is watching. He's flying south for winter. So yeah. So when FaZe has done his stream, yeah, I'll release the source code to the patrons, and then you guys can grab it, and then I'll release it to the public when the videos come out on YouTube, which will probably be in 18 months' time with my current delay. Right. So what time is it? Oh, I suppose we can do a bit of Myriad. Get the groundwork laid out.
You mean that wasn't Myriad?
So that's why you need to do the stream before you. Oh right, okay. Gary said you're thinking of doing it on Friday. Is that right? The stream. Okay. Are you
thrown Saturday into it as well, have we now?
Yeah. Got Saturday in there. Do you need any instructions off me? Because it's just open the emulator. And
yeah, I would actually. Because how do you actually load this in JSBeeb?
How do you load it in JSBeeb?
Because I can't actually get the boot to run. Yeah, because normally I just type start run main, but in this case you need to load the menu first.
Okay.
You'll need to run exclamation boot.
Yeah, I've tried that. It didn't work.
I thought.
Because you get a bad program if you try start run boot, like the exclamation boot.
Just shift and break. Okay. Let's try it. Right, so that's loaded in, so shift and break. Oh, there you go, shift and break.
Yeah, that worked.
See?
Originally, when I tried that,
to the rescue again. VSCode to the rescue again.
Yeah, I'll need instructions on how to select level and turn infinite lives on and off. The rest of it's on the screen.
Oh, I've got to write some instructions. Oh. I had enough writing documentation today as it is. Ugh. Oh, stop laughing. Also, do a design doc. Right, my reaction to that has got one finger in it, mate. I mean, there's the design's in the documentation in this folder, but no one's going to see it until it gets released. There you go. That sort of thing.
Oh, need a change log as well.
A change log. You can sod off. Right, okay, right, Myriad. So, I'll let you guys play with that. Seeing as everybody seems to be enjoying playing it, which I'm really pleased about. Right.
I can't wait to get home and try the new version on the real thing.
On the real thing? Yeah.
Trying that level 5.
I think it might slow down a little bit, but it shouldn't slow down as much because there's definitely not as many bullets on there. I did a memory test on the array. It definitely didn't fill the array this time.
That was grueling, poor old Beep.
I spent 8 hours today at work tracking down a bug which took 5 minutes to fix. Well, isn't that always the case, mate? Isn't that always the case?
And I bet it was the last thing you looked at as well.
Well, it always is. It always is. Be careful of your finger, because in Italian they say to put it in your... Oh dear. Oh dear. Right, so Myriad. So the problem with Myriad is the time. Right, here we go. Let's do this. It's the time difference between the clear and the displaying of the sprite. Yeah. There is a gap between clearing it and then displaying it. And the reason for that is that in the main code, which I think is somewhere here, where's the right, so this must be the game loop. So that's capturing the game. Then we do the move there, right? So up here, here we go, game loop. Here we go, game loop. Blah, there it is. So we capture the control, move the bullets, move the elements, and then draw the elements. And then we clear them off down here somewhere. We clear them out. But I'm going to look at that elements and draw elements. Oh, okay. Oh, drawing elements. Oh, no wonder I can't find it. There we go. See, it's doing an awful lot of rubbish there. So draw the pod. Right, so that's the actual draw routine there. So where do we clear out? Draw pods. Where's the draw? Ah, here we go. Draw. So where are we doing the clearing? Oh, that's drawing the asteroid there. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Do I clear the screen instead? This is what I'm trying to find out, mate. This is what I'm trying to find out. This is the sort of thing I'm looking at. Right, utilities, clear screen cell 2x2. So that'll be in the asteroids. Yeah. So
you clear it out, and then you do the execute to move it, and then you draw it again later. So
yeah, way later. Yeah, way later. So what I was thinking of was try and have the drawing and this drawing elements do the clearing at the same time. But I need to make sure not that. Not that. Here we go. I just want to make sure that everything... Oh, I don't feel well. Because the power-up is not moving either. There's no clear on the power-up. So, are we actually clearing the screen? Ah, here we go. What's that in? Oh, that's in the explosion. Oh, let's do a global search on that. Oh, here we go.
All right, chaps, I'm going to call it a night.
You what, Gary?
I'm going to call it a night, sir. We'll catch you over the weekend sometime.
All right then, mate.
All right.
All
Cheers,
right.
right.
You take care, yeah?
Bye-bye. Yep.
All right, mate.
See you later.
See you later. Ah, here we go. Process direction. This is what I was looking for. So process direction, the first thing it does is clear where it is. Yeah? And then it does the processing, but it's ages and ages and ages later where it draws it. And I think it's the time delay. Really we should process it and draw it almost straight away. But this, we did this different than we did with Beebcadia. Really, I should try and do Beebcadia on this, do the way it was in there. Because process direction, where's that? Where's that being used? Oh, it's in every one. So you do the process direction when we do the execute. Right, so that means that when it's doing that, it's doing the clear, but then we're waiting all this time, all the way down here. Keep going, all the way down here. Where's the drawing? But there's that as well. Oh, right, okay. So maybe it is doing it right. Maybe it is doing it right. Cool, it's amazing how you forget where everything is, isn't it? Right. Right, so this is actually doing its movement. So it clears it out off the screen, then does the movement. But then doesn't redraw it straight away. Where am I drawing it then? Let's go back to aliens. Where's aliens? Oh, I've lost it again. I must be doing a draw somewhere. That's buzzer. Where's the execution? Right, there's the execution. Process returns out. And we've got no drawing. Ugh.
Doesn't drawing elements, does that draw them all? Cycle through the whole array?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to identify. Yes, it does.
So we go through, clear them all off, work out where they've moved to, and then do that for all of them, and then go back and draw them all again.
Yeah.
That's going to be horrible to fix.
Nice, yeah. Because it's this place character on screen. That's the place. There we go, that's where it draws the sprite look. So there's a clear gap delay between clearing it. So it clears it out to do the process the movement, but it's doing all of them, yeah? And then we draw all of them. As in Beeb Spriter, we do them as they happen. And that's why it's a lot cleaner. Ugh. I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know. Because this is all higgledy-piggledy based on what Steve did.
Which works reasonably okay when you just one byte for putting a character on the screen, not however many we've got, 16 or whatever.
Yeah. Well, that's why I did Beebcadia different. In terms of the displaying. Because I wanted... That's why I had the old and new addresses, so we didn't have that blank it out, have a gap, display it. We would work out where the new position is, then blank it out from the old position and redraw it straight away with the new position, so you don't get that delay. I mean, I'm just wondering how many places that clear is. So we've got clear cell location, and clear cell 2x2. So the 2x2 must be the asteroids and the pod. Oh, I really wanted to do this for the Beeb. Oh, I thought it was going to be easier than this. Thought it was going to be easier than this. Because what I was going to do, I was going to tag on 2 more attributes in the array. So it would be old X, old Y, new X, new Y. And then just change the clear and draw points so they would be together. But it's not doing it the same way as we've done in Beebcadia. It's actually placing the character on it's actually placing them on in one go, but it's clearing off as it's doing its movement calculation. Rats. Yeah. Pants. Oh, look at this new high score. Here we go. Here we go. Hit one. Hit one bug. Got an extra life on the walker level, but when I killed the wave, they didn't respawn. Oh.
Yeah, I had to basically wait for the timer to run out, so I had like 30 or 40 on the timer when I got to that point.
Oh.
So I don't know if it's just like a random edge case thing, because most of the other times I never ran into that problem, but it was just that one instance.
Alright then, let's see. Let's see if I can win. Oh, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to cheat. I'm going to cheat. Two, three, four. That one. Oh.
Yeah, I mean, I had gone through it a few times, so they do respawn, but it was just at the same time that I got the extra life, they didn't reset after I'd finished them all off.
Oh. So you're thinking because you ran out of lives? So are you thinking...
I'm not sure if it was just where I gained the extra life at that point, or if it's just another random edge case where something didn't happen.
Oh, okay. Well, I think the game's good enough anyway. It's the most complete game except for Nico's run,
it's not nice because I don't remember the same issue happening on the level when I was 20,000 points.
Yeah. We'll see if it, and then we'll have to try and replicate if we know exactly what the issue is. Yeah. Right. Let me just add this. Right, that's added that to Git because I forgot to do that. Right, okay, so I think Myriad's gonna be a pain up the backside to change. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.